Hello guys, today I want to show you how to fix cabin air filter in 2013 Hyundai Sonata. Let's quickly fix it and save some money on it. Just open this cabin, then you'll see to this corner, you just rotate. So now you'll see this at the end. Just press at the corner, you'll get this out and get the old filter filled with dirt out. Let's see how dirty it is. Uh-oh, it's been quite some time, I haven't changed. So put this aside and get the new one and fix in the same way. Even at the, I don't know if you can see it or not. If you see it closely, you'll see this arrow. So you can fix in the same way, in the same direction. Arrow tells you that which direction you should put in. I fixed this, and now it's time to fix this. Press a little harder, then close the cabin and fix the caps that you removed. That's it, we're done. So you should select, this is the cabin air filter model that fits into your car. Go buy it and save some bucks. Thank you for watching.